One more burnout. That should be sufficient. Hello guys, Steve here, Shen RC. We're gonna test the Kyosho beetle with the redcat racing 550 17 turn crawler motor. And we got the field here all cleaned out and smoothed out. Let's give it a rip and see how it goes. See the power first. Oh yeah. I'm just gonna run it around. See how warm it gets. Stay back here because the wind's blowing away from me here. My goal with this motor was just to make it a little bit faster, which I did with the 24.3 mile an hour GPS speed test in my other video. But I also, my main reason was to keep this motor running nice and cool, because in this type of chassis with gear ratio, the normal 540 motors, they always seem to run really hot. So we'll see how this one does. I'm going to go on the grass a little bit. Nice tall. Uphill. Whoa! See how she goes. Normally, this thing would be burning up. And I'm smoking the tires all the time. God, it's humid and hot out here, guys. The gnats are just getting me right in the eyes and face. See if she's still got power on the startup. Yep. She's a beauty. Ooh, gnat to the ear. think I ate a bug. And that. I'm only running a 2200 milliamp 2S LiPo 60C rating. I could put a bigger one in here, but just want to charge it up quick to get out of here and run it. I've been flooring it mostly the whole time. Alright, I think that's good enough. I'll take it in now and see how hot the motor is. One more burnout. That should be sufficient. Wow, that's really cold. Nice. I could hold it for a long time. It's just starting to get a little hot now. Yep, that was awesome. So I guess the 550 redcat crawler motor and this beauty works like a charm. Let me know what you guys think of this beauty with that motor, how it did. Hope you liked the video. As always, I try my best to make good videos and do little mods. I hope you guys appreciate it. I appreciate you guys. And hit that bell so you don't miss future videos. If you're new, subscribe. Leave me a like. Helps the channel. I really need the likes and comments to help my channel out. I appreciate it, guys, if you leave one. And I'll see you next time. Shen RC out. She's running like a beauty. Oh wait, I think I see something here. Could it be? Oh, it could. One last go with the bug. Oh, I hit that wrong. Wait, take. Do it again. Oh yeah. Let's go, bug. See you guys.